Hey guys, here's a quick video on changing out a thermostat on my '01 Toyota Tundra. This is a relatively easy job, except buying the parts. The parts that I bought both from Amazon and the local parts store that were showing to be compatible with the truck were not. In all the cases, the key on the side appeared to be in the mirrored position from the original. So finally, what I settled on is a part that was not keyed. Replacing the part is relatively easy, first removing the throttle cable and then moving the airbox out of the way. After that, it's just using a deep socket and taking the original part out.